Hello, I'd like to introduce you to Cement Shine. Formerly, we're known as Concrete Flooring Specialty Services Contractor, but really, that just means we specialize in concrete flooring solutions. Cement Shine has focused on concrete polishing, coating concrete with sealers and epoxies, and staining commercial interior concrete floors for more than a decade. Our goal is finding a concrete flooring solution that meets the constraints of your unique project needs. Cement Shine can value engineer a concrete flooring solution for you. Some clients just want functionality, while others are more into the aesthetic or look of modern rustic or industrial concrete. In any case, we all want durability in a floor. Cement Shine can assess the suitability of flooring solutions based on the floor use, type, and volume of traffic, or just give you a competitive proposal on your specification or RFP. Our goal is to manage your concrete flooring project better, faster, while providing value. Reach out so we can learn more about your project, get you some answers, and get you a proposal.